This is my 91 240SX. I've had it for almost 20 years. I've done multiple engine swaps, transmissions, front ends, and it used to be my competition car a decade ago. But now, the competition's different, the feeling's different, so it's time to upgrade what I have. Today, Injectors. The injectors we have here are from FIC, Fuel Injector Clinic, 1000cc injectors. Let's get those out of the way. We're going to change out the stock injectors. I spoke with Mofeel Tuning before I selected the injectors. These are the ones that they recommended. Get them off, take a look. Injector style that I selected was just making sure that I stuck with the same one, the EV6 plug. I used the stock LS1 wiring harness, but then I got the injector plug kit from ICT. Seems like they fit really well. Okay. I think the O-rings are too large. I'm going to get some comparisons here. Oh, yeah. Those O-rings are much different. I have to just change out a couple of O-rings. I am putting a little bit of lube, a little assembly lube on the O-rings just to make sure that we have a good seal and that the O-rings don't get damaged when putting them in. Okay. And now to the others. Oh, we got those out. Now that these are ready, we'll go ahead and get these in. I guess now would be an opportunity to go ahead and have the wiring harness tucked, but I don't feel like doing that. I'd rather have it readily available if anything goes wrong that I can sit there and fix it versus it just looking pretty. I tried the looking pretty all the time thing and it was great for a little bit, but as soon as you started to have problems and needed to fix things, and it became an issue in some spots, not all of them. Don't get me wrong, tucked harnesses and tucked bays look great.
Now that the injectors are done, I think we can go ahead and move on to the tri-injector.